Hey, I just wanted to make another quick video of the latest upgrades to my Chrysler 300 2019 model. I've got the sport package, and I did a couple more unique things to make this Chrysler 300 look as mean as it is and as it sounds. I've already done the intake, the exhaust. It already has a nice set of wheels and tires from the factory. But I'll show you one more thing that I found. I found this awesome deal on eBay for this nice wing. It's similar to like a GTR style of wing. And I'm going to paint it body colored. I just got it mocked on the car right now for look, just to see how it looks. And I believe it looks really great. I'm going to paint it white and then mount it to the trunk. And here's kind of a look on how it looks. I also improved the look of it a little bit more and identified and named this car an SRT-6 because I've done these performance mods to it and the title suits it. Now I'm looking the part with the spoiler, and here kind of accents what the car is. Here it is, 300 SRT-6. And that, along with the spoiler, which is going to be body color when I mount it, will really give this Chrysler 300 the sport package that SRT-6 would stand for if they made an SRT-6 Chrysler 300. But since they didn't make one, I made a Chrysler 300 SRT-6. And here it is. You can kind of see the front and the side profile. You can see the spoiler standing out in the back. And if you like, please comment if you think the spoiler looks better in black or if I painted it body color white. Because you can see this Chrysler 300 sport package has the black and white all over. Blacked out grille, blacked out trim, wheels, mirrors. There's all this blacked out trim on the white car. And if you guys think that I should leave the spoiler black but just paint it gloss black, and it would also match the black accents of the car. So let me know what you think of my 300 SRT-6 all-wheel drive. It runs and it's starting to look the part too. So tell me what you think, and please subscribe and like and share this video with your friends, because I need lots of subscribers, and the more the merrier. And Happy New Year to everybody, and mad boosting.